So this is the unboxing video for the keyboard that I just need for my work, just because we're starting to have the work from home, so really need a keyboard to improve the productivities, and also like it's much better than the instant keyboard that the default keyboard with the laptop. So I decided to choose Akko after discussing a lot with my friends. And this is the Akko 3068, and the brow switch, so the noise not too much, but you still feel the sound of the keyboard. Let's open it. So inside this you have the keyboard, of course, and the good thing about this keyboard is that you can connect it using the cable or via Bluetooth. So you can use this for different devices, and up to 3 devices can be connected to this keyboard. You can use the USB Type-C here, or you can use the Bluetooth. Yeah, so in this one you have keyboard here. Yeah, it's not too much like blue, but it's not too silent like the red. So this is the brown, and we have the keyboard. Okay, and together with the keyboard we have the guidance on how to use this in Chinese. This English here, all in Chinese. All in Chinese. Yeah, all in Chinese. Anyway, and we have the keyboard, the cable here. Nice. It's USB to USB Type-C, and this one is the keycap, so I can color my keyboard the way that I want. This is the keycap removal tool. It looks so childish, but it's good. Yeah, I like this color. Anyway, I'm trying to mix the color between gray, dark gray, and purple and light blue. So this is what I have here, and the cost for this one is around $150 for this one. Yeah, 24 months warranty. Sorry, the keyboard is around $65, so it's not too much, and then it's affordable.